Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sebi. Pesto chicken pizza. Check it out. House-made garlic cream sauce. Put this on there. Just gonna smear it all over the place. We get right up to the edges here. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take our mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle the edges first. Okay. Freshly chopped chicken. House pesto sauce. Try not to be cheap with the chicken. Piece of chicken in every bite. Put some nice grated cheese on there. Dab of extra virgin olive oil. Put a bunch of tomato slices on each slice. Spray some nice pesto. Grated cheese. Chicken pesto Roman pizza. Mortadella. Make it nice.